Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today, we're building a screw-driven vehicle. It's actually inspired by the ZIL-2906 from the Soviet Union. So, the idea is pretty simple. It runs on two screw shafts, mirrored on each side. As they spin, they bite into the ground or mud and drive the vehicle along. Okay, let's crack on and get this built. For this build, I'm using a pair of 120 revolutions per minute geared motors, each one driving its own screw shaft. To keep things running nice and smooth, I'm using 6mm bore bearings on the shafts, then securing everything together with M3 screws. To print these screw shafts properly, I'm splitting the model into two halves, then laying the flat side on the bed. If you try to print it in one go, the curved surface sits on supports, and that usually turns out messy and pretty weak. When printing, I'm keeping it as hollow as possible to cut down the weight and help it stay afloat. Here, I'm using two M6 bolts as axles for the wheels, and then applying a small amount of super glue to secure everything in place. To secure the gear onto the shaft, I'm adding an M3 brass threaded insert so it stays firmly in place. Here, I'm installing a gear cover to protect it from mud and debris, so it doesn't get stuck. And of course, don't forget to add a few bits to make it look a bit more badass. Here, I'm using two ESCs so I can control each screw shaft separately. In this test run, it looks like there's quite a strong sideways pull. I tried switching the rotation to cancel it out, but it's still really struggling to go forward. It moves, but only very slowly. In the next version, I'll be upgrading this to a 4-screw setup. So make sure you stick around for part 2. Cheers for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.